we need you to break your arm or something. We're going. Hang on. Yeah, we're on.
Hello. What are you doing?
Get out. I'm filming in the mirror.
Okay.
I'm filming you do your bait in your mirror.
Oh, the glasses.
Yeah, good job. Get going. Try harder, Shelley. Come on, Shelley. Push, Rocket. Are you driving?
Hi. 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 Is it voice on that? No. It's not.
Just here. When I put together, I'll just put the music or something.
Go.
Push it.
20 minute eyes left. Then you fall back when you're on the boat. Yes. Where'd you put it? We didn't put it in. Ah. Okay, try. Come here.
No, it's private.
Jump up. I can't see
I'm going to push you in. Huh? How about we push Zoe off the back?
Yeah. It will.
Now let's go. Come on.
Are you coming through? Yep. Go jump off the bridge. What? Ready? Ready, set, go! Did that hurt?
It'll look better. Just jump close to me. It'll look heaps better.